Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you just a local updates for WIF, DogWifhat. What's going on now with this dog token? Let's dive in. First of all guys, I would like to show you this one image. Yesterday I opened that trade, this one after post speech. I opened it around here. I don't like why I close that one. So where that trade? I closed the trade because usually when we could, stop it at some round numbers. So here I close my trade. It's 60.42. So usually when we stop it at round numbers like 55 cents, 0.0, in most cases we come back and sweep that liquidity pool. So we stop it exactly at 55. So a lot of it's work like psychology. So a lot of people, retailers and a lot of traders just add the limit orders, the round number. And most likely they add stop losses under this level. That's why for me it was like a trigger why we can drop lower. So technically, of course, market looks so bad now. So I mean the altcoins look so bad now again and again. But my take for green spring for alts still in. Probably not in play because it's still the February, but I still keep in mind that scenario. So I work with that scenario. So yes, in spring, most likely we will see the uptrend move on alts. But guys, not all alts will hit, first of all, all new all-time high. One things. So it's not necessary. So the DogWifhat in the spring will hit new all-time high. But if it will, I would like to remind you the targets. Where we can stop. So we grab this liquidity, this one. It was a lowest point $1.07. So we grab that liquidity, dump it, go back to the monthly time frame. It's by the way on a max. So on a max, yes, we need to use the oldest chart. So here we still not close the full field. So the full fill on a monthly, it will be the, here's a 53 and 2. And yes, we can drop a little bit lower, because I don't think so. We will drop exactly to the full fill till penny, 53 and 2. Can drop a little bit lower. Weekly time frame, the full fill is around 47 and 4. And also take a look the FIB. You remember this FIB. What I shared before. So here, this FIB we dropped from March 2024. This one, this was a support line, bounce, and that time I could even imagine. So the road will be open to the 20-cent block. How to work with that 20-cent block, and I shared the video. So basically, we got this like a block. It's full support zone. So it's between 4 cents and 38 cents. So crazy dump. It's a dump inside this block with next recover move, for example, to at least 0.5 flow by FIB. So we got order flow on the weekly time frame. So sooner or later, anyway, I think if of course the DogWifhat it's not a pure scam, will bounce to $3 to $2.97. Will be the end of cycle at $3, we can't know. So in theory, we can see something like this one, and it's going to be the end. In theory, I repeat. But now you can see the CZ starts shill some stuff about the meme tokens on the BNB. Of course, I think if they will launch the new dog coin, all dogs will follow. But of course, he will launch on not on Sol. Most likely he will launch the token on the meme token, dog meme token on BNB. But anyway, it's just matter, the matter if the dogs token will be launched from Binance or CZ. You understand? It's a next new, not a next. It's a not a new and another. So it's again the narrative of the dogs. Meme tokens dogs. So it's include the SHIB, WIF, Bonk. So all of them can bounce again. If you believe in new all-time high for DogWifhat, we can sweep the actual highs. What we'll leave it here on the weekly time frame, it's 7.23. So I don't think we go into $11, but 7, it's more than real to see like end of cycle for this token. So that's it, guys. if we will not see the crazy altcoin season, if we'll not see the crazy pumps on alts, because we can't know, guys. Of course, I understand that a lot of people dream about a super cycle and all of that stuff, but we work only with possibilities, right? And we can't know how the market makers, how the whales, how the institutional will use their profit from the BTC, for example. They withdraw into stable coins in one, or they start investing in alts again. And maybe in Sol. For Sol, I still believe in new all-time high. So I mark my targets. It's around $500 per Sol this cycle. I don't believe in the 1K per Sol or so, but hope the meme tokens will follow. And once again, the memes, it's the easiest way to pump and dump, to bring new liquidity, or get back the liquidity from retails and reinvest in bigger coins. So I'll be not surprised if in the next few days, yes, days, not a week, in the weeks, we will see the bounce. So you could see the track, you could track the here order flow on the weekly, order flow on the daily. So guys, sooner or later, anyway, we will bounce and test 50% of this order flow. So take a look, since January 18, we dump it. So in row. Anyway, the 50% of this move will close. So it's $1.40. So once again, if you buy it on the spot or with the futures, here, if we will drop to that block, like 38 cents, I will add limit orders, maybe, but most likely we'll add just alerts. And after 265%, if this is not a pure scam, we can fix some profit, because after that we can't know what will happen next. Take a look. This is a total capitulation, total disbelief on the WIF on the weekly. So imagine, we track that token since basically in 2023, and this is a total madness every year. This was all this time period was a time to distribute their bags, and here's a crazy accumulation on the weekly. This is a crazy capitulation on a market mode on the weekly also. Daily, you can see now without the warranties, basically. No, with the warranty. No, take a look. The lowest point was here, the February 7, and the lowest point was 64 cents. Now we traded at 55. So yes, performed the warranty. Bullish one, the warranty, guys. So this is accumulation. This was a distribution. So technically, you could track everything by yourself. If you use my indicator set. So for me personally, DogWifhat looks promising for the bounce, not for investment or so, money power. Here are the whales accumulate daily accumulation. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row they accumulated. So technically, it can be a good move, good bounce, So here was a out and MACD bearish divergence and drop. Got it. Take a look. The last indicator, trade on, sell, buy back, bounce, buy back, small bounce, no new signal to buy or so. Here was only one and only. It was at zero level again. It was like 29% bounce. Pretty good one. So the best case scenario, guys, it's a sweep of this liquidity, close the monthly fulfill like $53 with a few cents and bounce. If not, 38 cents is the next step. So this is it. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit on the weekly. Do we got a data? No. No data on the weekly here. Daily, also the good reason for accumulation, because we trade under fundamental value. It's a good one. 12-hour time frame, also under fundamental value. So at least sooner or later we will bounce to $1.80 and $2 to exit line. So it's just a matter of time, guys. So I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about a DogWifhat. Do you think we will see the altcoin season or not? If you'd like to trade it with my customer care site, what I showed on this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.